Hi everyone. Today I will talk about DERMAROLLER, and it is known as skin roller or skin needling, micro needling to reduce acne scars, uh, for fine wrinkles, for pigmentation, for old scars, uh, ankle burn scars is very good. So I bought this on Amazon for 10 euros. So uh, I I have used it earlier, but if you have sensitive skin or dry skin, you will not like it because really it is very painful to use this. So I'm using this for my acne scars because I have deep acne scars. So this is my second time I'm trying it. So yeah, today I will show you how you can use it. This is one 01 millimeters needle. You have it. It comes with three types. If you can see, this one is for face. This one is very little one is for eyes. You use it like this for wrinkles, eyes. And then you get this one for stretch mark for your body, because this one you can see it has many needles and it is good for stretch mark in your buttock, in your everywhere. You can use it everywhere. So yeah, it's promote DERMAROLLER. It helps to promote collagen, elastin, which is a collagen. It is a protein that is beneath our skin that helps to grow fast. So yes, today I will show you how to use it. So yeah, first I use my Clinic. If you can see my Clinic clarifying solution. So yeah, I use it first, then I will show you how I do it, but it is very painful. You can use it in your neck. I'm using this everywhere. Then you can see. So I take it and I stretch the skin. Then I do 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 4, then diagonally this direction and that direction. So but I go the pain. So when you push, you don't need to push so hard. It must be in between, not so soft, not so hard, in between, so it penetrates into your skin. Oh yeah, it's painful. Yeah, I feel it. People say it doesn't pain. No, it pains. It pains a lot. I don't know if you can see. You must stretch the skin. on today I will use only that. So I'm using this cream a little bit. It's yeah, this doesn't improve your pores, doesn't reduce pores. So yeah, you can use it. I would say for me, it is painful to use it, but it is worth the treatment because it's really help. It is recommended to do this after 7 days because like this your skin will have the time to recover. So yeah, this is my second time to using it. Yes, I see a big difference. I would not say it's a miracle. No, it's not miracle. So yeah, it does take time to see the result, but yeah, I will continue to use it and see the difference, and maybe I will put a picture before and after, you can see. Yes, but definitely I don't know which is a brand, so I will try to link it on the description box. You can have an idea, but yeah, I like it. And if you are my category, you have dry and sensitive skin, you will not like it. Yes, it's very painful. I don't know for other people they say it's okay, you can bear it. For me, it's very painful. So yeah, definitely recommend it if you want to have a beautiful skin, youthful skin. You want to have the extra glow. Yeah, definitely I like it. So yeah, I will continue to give you a feedback about this DERMAROLLER. So yeah, keep watching my videos and please subscribe to my channel. So yeah, for now, bye bye.